in terms of size. And here you can simply add the color, okay, of the label. Okay, so you can change the color of the label, like, okay. But for now, I will remove the label of every node. Let us understand first of all what do we have here. Here we have 4 important features. The first 2 are for nodes, okay, and the second 2 are for labels of the nodes, okay. Here we have the color of the node, and here we have the size of the node, and here we have the color of the label, and here we have the size of the label, okay. So before moving and changing the colors and size, let me go to statistics and apply some statistics on this network, okay. So if you click on average degree and run, okay, close. So the average degree is the average number of friends for every student in this class. So the average number of friends of every student in this class is roughly 4, okay. And if I click on connected components and click then OK, so I have 1 component in this network, okay, because there is no network, okay, inside this graph that has no connections with another network as well. And here, if you click on average clustering coefficient, okay, so we'll get also the number of triangles. So here we have 11 triangles in our network, okay. If you feel some difficulties in understanding these features, so you can simply go back to the course and review what is the meaning of number of triangles, okay. So let us go now for the node color and partition across to degree. So here different degrees will have different colors. So nodes that have 7 friends will be colored in pink, and so on. I will apply. So as we see here, that nodes that have 7 friends or more colored with pink, and nodes that have, let me change the color, you can simply change it and apply. Okay, here let me make it black. Okay. So this is a node that have 7 friends, becomes black, or you can simply choose another palette. Okay, you can use palettes like this one, or you can generate a new one, okay, with like 15 colors. And you can use this one and generate, then click OK, apply. So here you have different colors. So this is in terms of the node color. So now let us play with the node size, okay? And also you go to ranking them across degree, where the smallest degree will have 10 size and the highest one will have 50 size, and apply. So what we can see right now, that nodes that have the lowest degree will have the lowest size, as well as nodes that have the highest degree will have the highest size, which is 50. I think 50 is too large. Let me make it 45 and click apply, or even 40 is better. Click apply. So this is the network now, customized according to node color and node size. Let us go to the label color. Okay, let me first of all show the labels, and I will partition them according to degree. And here also the node color, okay, the node label color would have the same color of the node itself. So if I click apply, so here we have same colors, but this is somehow ambiguous because 2 colors are not clear. I will go to palette, okay, and generate a new one, which has like 10 colors, or 17 colors is the maximum. Okay, and I will use this one, okay, then apply. So here I have different colors, okay, for different nodes, labels. And also if you go to ranking, I will make the font size of every label, okay, is according to the number of degree of every node. Okay, so if I go to ranking across the degree, according to degree, and also between like 10 and 40. Apply. Oh, it's too big, sorry, because it's font size. So between 0.5 and, okay, 2. Apply. So here, as we see that the nodes of different label sizes are displayed successfully. Okay, so this is according to the visualization. Now we can simply edit the data, so we no longer need to access the data from the GEXF file on desktop. So what we can do is to go into data laboratory. So now these are the nodes and these are the edges. Okay, let me add some edges here to enhance the network structure or shape. So what I'm going to do is to add edges between Hadid and Fatima. Okay, data laboratory, edges. Okay, let us take the name first of all to know the ID. Okay, so between this one, 0.0, and to be sure, okay, this one, 20. So I have to add an edge, add edge between 0.0 and 20. And by the way, you can see the node ID here, direct. Overview again. Okay, so here, as we see that we have a newly created edge or friendship between Hadid and Fatima, between these two nodes. Okay, and so on, you can add edges, and even you can add nodes from the data laboratory. You can add node. Okay, you can add the label of the node, and automatically the ID will be added. Overview again, click on here. Okay, and click stop. So now we are visualizing the entire network. But what if you want to pick up a certain node from the network and check its ego? So here I have to go to filters, okay? You simply click on topology and you drag and drop ego network to queries, okay? So here you can select any node and check its network, or what's called ego network. So you can go to data laboratory and or simply you can select a node here. So let us take like Fatima, this one. Okay, let us check the ID of this node. Okay, it's 5. So simply you can click on 5 and okay, and filter. Ego network, node 5.0, sorry, it's not 5. Okay, so this is the network, and you can simply also adjust the appearance of the network. So this is the ego network of this node. Okay, you can see that it's composed of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 degrees. Okay, and if you remove self, okay, so here you can see the isolates. So Hussein and this one, I cannot see exactly the label, are isolates. So become isolates when their friend Fatima removed from the network. So this is important to check the isolate of every node. So if you go to 1.0 also and you click go, okay, click here and remove self, okay, I can see that I have no isolates here actually, okay. If you can go to 2.0, okay, and click okay and remove self. So here we have no isolates as well. And 3.0, click OK. And here I have 3 isolates actually, okay? And so on. You can check the isolates of all the networks. So this is in terms of ego network and isolate. I will stop so far. Now let us increase the thickness of the edges. It's better right now. Click on again to enhance the appearance. And let us export this network into an image file. So I will go to preview, fresh. So this is how the this is how the network will be exported in this shape. But you can customize absolutely. So you can simply click on show labels, refresh, but this is too noisy. You can simply remove proportional size and it will be like this. Or you can simply add like 18 bold. So all the nodes will be like this. Okay, it's better for me, I think. And you can show edges and you can increase the edge thickness to 2.0, refresh. So edges become more sharp. Okay, and I think it's fine right now. You can simply click on File, Export, Save as PNG. Okay, and you can simply add the name. Okay, Network 1. Save on desktop, save, and this is Network 1. So this is our network, how it looks like. Okay, so that's all about our Gephi software. If you want to watch more about this software, I will be providing more videos. Thank you for your watching.